got something really exciting today, something that I always get excited about. We're going to do an unboxing. First of all, some of these boxes you see here, these are some of the cigars that I've smoked in the last year. Some of them are some of the ones that I've reviewed, and some of them might be coming up soon. So let's go ahead and do this. I saved extra special for you guys. I haven't even opened it. I've had this for like 4 days. All right. Oh, I'm so psyched. Okay, so first we got Diesel Nicaraguan. I think this is the Unholy Trinity. Yeah, Unholy Cocktail. All right. First one, and then I got the Oliva Series O sun-grown Perfecto, and I really enjoy that cigar, so I finally decided to get a box of that. And some extra Boveda packs. Got to keep in those. Oh, yep. Here's my special. This cigar tool with the cigar clippers and cigar tweezers. But that's kind of cool. Nice cigar clipper. Just came with, when you get a box sometimes, they send, you know, little extra goodies. We'll do the Diesel first. Go ahead and tool's already coming in handy. You gotta love that. Paying off in dividends already. All right, so, oh, that's really cool. Look at that. Look at that. Is that not just a beautiful work of art? I mean, that's 30 cigars, 30 camp, Diesel Unholy Cocktail. It's supposed to be a pretty strong Nicaraguan that I've been looking forward to. I'm really a fan of this kind of, you know, touch. Instead of it being just a fancy ribbon, it goes a lot better, especially with a name like Diesel. So, but, I love that. It's like Christmas. It really is. Got a little bit of a Perfecto in there. And I have not smoked these at all. This was made to by a recommendation of a friend of mine at the smoking shop. I just figured this is a good value box. This particular box was, I believe, $125, and it's 30 in a box, so it's pretty good value. Okay, but let's go ahead and get into the next one. The one that I'm really looking forward to. I love Oliva. You can't go wrong with Oliva. They make a good quality product. The Series O sun-grown Perfecto is an excellent stick. Oh, that's such cool presentation. We got a little cedar leaf in here and the fancy ribbon. They are a fancier company for sure. Oh, look at the loveliness. Look at that excellent dark Perfecto with that wonderful sun-grown leaf. I can't wait to get into these. Now, one of my friends was like, so you're gonna smoke it after you open it, right? I was like, well, no, not really. We're not gonna do the smoking in the same video. And he was like, I don't understand how you could do an unboxing and not smoke it afterwards. And I said, well, you have to understand, a lot of people, when they buy from these places, they come from big companies, and the big companies, they set their humidor where they have all the boxes to 70, humidify. And I like my cigars at a much lower humidity. I prefer 62 to 65. So they gotta acclimate. I gotta put them inside my humidor, load the humidor up, and let them sit for a couple of weeks before I can get to them. But it's always exciting to get a box, and I love, another part of it is just packing the humidor up, just adding to that humidor. So, you know, you can find good value boxes of cigars. Like I said, the Diesel box was 120. I think the Oliva was 150. But I've gotten boxes before. I think El Rey de Mundo. That's an under $100 box. Always consistent Oscuro leaf. I love that one. So there's good value to be had in boxes, especially if you got, and if you find a good cigar that you love, it's also an excellent way to keep your cigars. If you don't have a humidor, you can just take a Boveda pack and throw it inside. You know, there's plenty of room for it usually. So they serve as good carriers of cigars and keepers of cigars if you haven't got a humidor yet. But that's our unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and as much as I'm looking forward to trying some of these later. But thank you, and I hope you check out some of my other videos at Cigars and Pairings, and leave some comments if you got any ideas about what kind of boxes I should get next, or what you're interested in to maybe see in an unboxing. I'm Brian, and I hope you enjoyed this.